I put the vegetables on the counter and I smile. It feels nice to start cooking together.
I'm glad too, because cooking with you is always easy. The kitchen already feels warm.
I think we should wash the vegetables first. They look a bit dusty.
Good idea. I'll bring the colander so it's simpler to rinse everything.
The peppers look really fresh today. I like their bright color.
Yes, and the tomatoes look perfect too. They will make the dish sweet.
Can you wash the tomatoes while I wash the peppers? It will be faster.
Sure, I can do that. The water feels cold, but it wakes me up.
I'll start cutting the peppers after I dry them. I hope the pieces look nice.
Don't worry, your cutting is always good. I'll slice the tomatoes slowly.
I like how the kitchen smells when we cook. It makes me feel at home.
Me too, because the ingredients always smell fresh and clean.
Do we have enough carrots for the recipe? I don't remember.
Yes, we have 3 of them. They look strong and crunchy.
Great! Then we can chop them after the peppers. I'll put them here.
I'll peel the carrots for you. It only takes a minute.
Thanks! That helps a lot. I want everything ready before we turn on the stove.
That's smart. It makes cooking easier and more comfortable.
After we cut everything, we can mix all the vegetables in one bowl.
Yes, and then we can start cooking slowly. I think the dish will be tasty.
I like cooking with you. It feels peaceful.
I feel the same. Working together makes everything better.
The vegetables are ready in the bowl, so we can start cooking now. I feel excited to see how the dish will turn out.
Great! I'll turn on the stove. The pot is already in the center, so it's easy to use.
I'll add a little oil first. It needs a moment to warm up.
Yes, I can hear it getting hot. The pan makes a soft sound.
I'll put the onions in now. They always go first.
They smell good already. The kitchen feels warmer.
Can you stir them slowly? I don't want them to burn.
Of course, I'll keep moving them gently. They are turning soft.
Now we can add the carrots and peppers. They need time too.
I'm pouring them in. They make the pot look very colorful.
I think the tomatoes can go next. They will make the mixture juicy.
Perfect. I'll add them. They mix well with the other vegetables.
Should we put some salt and herbs now? It will help the flavor.
Yes, I'll sprinkle a little. The smell gets stronger right away.
The dish looks nice. I like how everything blends together.
Me too. It looks simple, but tasty. I enjoy cooking like this.
We should lower the heat a bit. It's cooking too fast.
Good call. I'll turn it down so it cooks slowly.
I'm glad we are doing this together. It makes cooking more fun.
I feel the same. It's relaxing to cook side by side.
Let's let it cook for a few minutes. Then we can taste it.
Yes, I'm curious to try it. It already smells delicious.
The vegetables smell amazing. I want to taste a little now.
Go ahead. I'm curious too. I think it's cooked perfectly.
I'll take a small spoon and try the carrots first. They feel soft.
I'll taste the peppers. They are sweet and crunchy at the same time.
The onions are just right, not too strong or too soft.
I like how the tomatoes mix with everything. The flavor is gentle.
Should we add a little more salt? I think it needs a tiny bit.
Yes, just a small pinch. It will taste better after stirring.
I love the smell of the herbs. They give a fresh flavor.
Me too. They make the dish look bright and colorful as well.
I think the vegetables are tender but not mushy. That's perfect.
Yes, the texture is really good. I like it soft but firm.
I feel happy when the dish looks so nice. Cooking is fun today.
I feel the same. The colors make me excited to eat.
Let's mix everything carefully before tasting again.
Good idea. It helps all the flavors blend together.
The kitchen feels cozy now with this smell. I like it.
Yes, it's warm and inviting. I want to enjoy it slowly.
Maybe we can try a little bite of everything on the spoon.
That works. We can taste the full flavor in one bite.
The dish is ready to serve soon. It smells perfect.
I agree. I think everyone would enjoy it at home.
I like tasting it together. We can talk about the flavors.
Me too. It's more fun than tasting alone.
Should we set aside a small portion to add more herbs later?
Yes, I'll put it in a small bowl. It can stay fresh.
I feel proud of how it turned out. Cooking together works well.
I feel the same. Teamwork makes it easier and more enjoyable.
Let's taste one more spoon before moving to the table.
Good idea. I want to be sure it's perfect.
The food is ready. Let's set the table before it gets cold.
Good idea. I'll bring the forks and knives. The table looks empty now.
I'll put the plates on the colorful placemats. They look nice together.
I place the glasses near the plates. They shine in the kitchen light.
Do you want to add napkins? They can be folded next to each plate.
Yes, I'll fold them neatly. It makes the table look tidy.
I think we should put the salad bowl in the center.
That's perfect. Everyone can reach it easily from any side.
I brought the bread basket. Should I place it near the salad?
Yes, that works well. It's easy to grab while eating.
I want to add a small vase with flowers. It will look pretty.
Great idea. I'll place it in the middle next to the salad bowl.
Can you pour some water into the jug? It will be ready for everyone.
Sure. I fill it halfway. It looks clean and inviting.
I like how the table looks now. Everything feels ready.
Me too. The colors are bright and cheerful. It makes me hungry.
Should we bring some small bowls for the sauces?
Yes, I'll put them near each plate. It's easier to share this way.
I think the lighting is perfect. Warm and soft for dinner.
I agree. It makes the meal feel cozy and relaxed.
I like that we prepared everything together. It feels organized.
Me too. Working together makes everything faster and nicer.
Let's taste the food right after we sit down. I can't wait.
Yes, I'm ready. I think it will taste even better at the table.
I'll bring the serving spoons. Everyone can help themselves.
I'll bring the small plates too. Then we are fully prepared.
The table looks very inviting. I'm happy with our work.
Me too. It's satisfying to see everything ready and neat.
I feel excited to enjoy this meal. Cooking and setting the table is fun.
I feel the same. It's nice to eat together after all the preparation.
Should we take a picture of the table before we eat?
Yes, it will look great. The colors and arrangement are perfect.
I'm glad we cooked this recipe. Everything smells delicious.
Me too. It makes me even hungrier to eat it now.
Let's call everyone to the table. It's time to eat.
Yes, I'll tell them to come. They will love how it looks.
I like these moments in the kitchen. They are simple, but happy.
Me too. Cooking together is more than just preparing food.
Everything is ready. We can enjoy our meal now.
Perfect. Let's start eating and enjoy what we made.
The food looks wonderful. I'm excited to taste it now.
Me too. Everything smells amazing, and the colors are bright.
I'll take a small spoon and try the vegetables first.
I'll try some of the carrots. They look tender and soft.
The flavors mix well together. I can taste the herbs clearly.
Yes, And the salt is just right. It makes everything taste fresh.
I like how the tomatoes are soft but not mushy.
The peppers are sweet and crunchy. They are perfect.
The onions give a nice flavor without being too strong.
I agree. It's balanced and tasty. I'm happy with it.
Should we pour some water to drink? It will be refreshing.
Yes, I'll pour it into the glasses. The jug looks full and inviting.
I feel proud of what we cooked together. It tastes really good.
Me too. Working as a team makes cooking much easier.
I like sharing the food at the table. It feels cozy.
Yes, sitting and enjoying it together is the best part.
The salad is fresh and crunchy. I love its flavor.
The bread is soft and warm. It goes well with the vegetables.
I can taste the olive oil and herbs clearly. It's very tasty.
I noticed the spices too. They make the dish feel complete.
I'm happy we followed the recipe. It turned out great.
Yes, it was simple but delicious. I'm impressed with our work.
I feel comfortable here. The kitchen and table look nice.
Me too. Everything is ready and the meal feels inviting.
Let's take small bites and enjoy the flavors slowly.
I like that idea. It helps me taste every ingredient carefully.
The vegetables are cooked just right, not too soft or hard.
The mixture is balanced. Each bite has a nice flavor combination.
I think we can have some more bread with the salad.
Yes, it goes well together. I'll serve a small piece for you.
I like how calm and peaceful it feels eating together.
Me too. Sharing a meal makes the day better.
Everything looks colorful and fresh on the table.
Yes, the presentation is great. It makes the meal more enjoyable.
I feel happy we spent this time cooking and eating together.
Me too. It's one of the best parts of the day.
Should we save a small portion for later?
Yes, we can keep some in the fridge. It will be nice for tomorrow.
I feel satisfied and full. The meal was wonderful.
I feel the same. Everything tastes perfect.
I like that we cooked everything ourselves. It feels rewarding.
Yes, it's much better than eating something ready-made.
I'm glad we shared this meal. It was fun and tasty.
Me too. I hope we can cook together again soon.
Let's clean a little after we finish. It will be quick.
Yes, and then we can relax. The kitchen will stay nice.
This was a perfect day for cooking and eating together.
I agree. I feel happy and full. It's a great memory.